Hello everyone, welcome back to Flowing Data channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the difference between call and apply in JavaScript. Okay, now both call and apply are methods that allow you to call a function with a specified this value and arguments. Okay, now let's take a look at how they work. In this example, we are defining an object with a name property and a function greet that logs a greeting with the value of this dot name. We then call greet with call and pass in object as the this value. Okay, this allows greet to access the name property of object as this dot name. Now let's look at apply. In this example, we are again defining an object obs with a name property and a function greet that logs a greeting with the value of this dot name. Same. However, this time greet takes an argument greeting that is also included in the output. We then call greet with apply and pass in object as the this value and an array hello as the arguments. So what's the difference between these two methods? The main difference is in how you pass in arguments. With call method, you pass in the arguments directly as separate parameters, while with apply method, you pass in an array of arguments. Understand? Another difference is that call method is usually faster than apply method, especially for a small number of arguments. However, apply method can be more convenient when you have an array of arguments that you want to pass in. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful in understanding the difference between call and apply method in JavaScript. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.